Nebulae, clouds of gas and dust, are more than cosmic scenery. They are nurseries for stars. Gravity pulls in clumps of gas. As material accumulates, pressure and heat build. Eventually, nuclear fusion ignites and a star is born. Nebulae evolve. Pillars, filaments, and shock fronts sculpt where stars form. Radiation from newborn stars can trigger more formation or blow apart clouds. Not every nebula births stars. Conditions must be just right. Density, turbulence, magnetic fields, and external triggers all play parts. Stars born in nebulae go on to host planets, chemical complexity, life. Nebulae are cosmic cradles shaping the galaxy's future. When you see a nebula image, understand. In that cloud, somewhere, stars are being born. Keep looking up.